Morning to one and all. I'm Dr. Sumitra. I'm here to present you about system configuration management in software engineering. Whenever a software is built, there is always a scope for the improvement, and those improvement brings changes in picture. The changes may be required to adopt or modify any existing solution to create a new solution for the problem. Our requirements keep on changing on a daily basis, so we need to keep on upgrading our system based on the current requirements and needs to meet the desired output. Changes would be analyzed before they are made to the existing system, recorded before they are implemented, and reported to the details of before and after, and controlled in a manner that would improve the quality and reduce error. This is where the system configuration management comes. The system configuration management is an arrangement of exercise which controls a change by recognizing the items for changing, setting up the connections between those things, making capturing the instruments for overseeing diversity variant, controlling the changes becoming executed the current framework, inspecting and revealing, reporting on the changes made. This is essential to control the changes in light of the fact that if the changes are not checked segmentally, that may be wind up in the way the SCM is a fundamental piece of the project management activities. The process involved in the SCM is a configuration management provides a disciplined environment for a smooth control of work product. It involves the following activities of identification and the establishment. Identifying this configuration item from the product that composes a baseline at a given point in time. A baseline is a set of a mutually consistent configuration items which could be formally reviewed and agreed upon and served as a basis of future development. Establishing a relation among the items, creating a mechanism to manage a multiple levels of control and procedure to change of management system. The version control is where creating a version, a specification of the existing product to build a new product from the help of SCM system. The descriptions of the version where the suppose when we have some changes in the version of the configuration object changes from 1.0 to 1.1. The minor corrections and the changes may result from the version of 1.1.1 and 1.1.2, which is followed by the major updates, that is object. 2. Development of the object 1.0 continues through the 1.3 and 1.0, but finally the noteworthy changes to the object results in the new revolutionary path, a version with the 2.0. Both versions are currently supported. And this change control is all about controlling the changes, the configuration item, the changes control, the process is explained where the change request CR is updated and evaluated to access the technical merits, potential side effects, and overall the impact on another configuration objects and the system function. The projected cost of the changes, the results of the evaluations are presented the change report which is used by the change control board CSB, a person or a group which makes a final discussion on the status and the priority of the change. Engineering change request, that is VECR, is generated for each approved changes. Also, CSCB notifies the developer in case the changes is rejected with a proper reason. ECR describes the changes to be made and the constraint that must be respected, and the criteria for changing is checked out of the project database, and this changes is made, then the object is tested again. The object is checked into the database and appropriate version control mechanisms are used to create the next version of the software. And the configuration auditing is all about software configuration audit reviews the formal technical of the process and the product. It focuses on the technical correctness of the configuration object that has been modified. The audit confirms the completeness, correctness, and the efficiency of the item in SCM system and track action items that are audited to the exclusion. And reporting provides accurate status and this current configuration data to the developers, tester and the user, the customer and the stakeholders, where through the admin guide and the user guides will be there. The system configuration management is a software engineering practice that focus on managing the configuration of the software system and ensuring the components are clearly controlled, tracked and stored. I hope you're clear with the system configuration management. Thank you.